Hello and welcome back to Csylnaturals DIY. My name is Sylvia. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this glow and lightening body wash with black soap. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And for those who have been following me and watching my content, thank you so much for stopping by. Let's get started. First soap I'm going to be using today is African black soap. It is traditional soap. It is made from harvested plants like shade tree bark, palm kernel leaf, plantain, cocoa pods. It has a lot of skin benefits. It fights facial and body acne. It reduces blemishes. It is very good for sensitive skin as well. The next soap I'm going to be using is called the Kampala soap. It is super active. It is also called a treatment soap. For any skin problem, this soap is the answer. The next soap I'm going to be using is Samla, aka lather booster. This soap helps the black soap to lather very well. This soap naturally is soft and helps in smoothing the skin. I'm also using the pink ozone soap. This soap has a great benefit on the skin. It is mild. It helps you achieve flawless skin. We just need a little of this soap in this tutorial. This is also a natural soap, but it's optional. Next, my aloe vera juice and glycerin. And here I have my black soap cut in cubes. All descriptions and measurements of this soap, all the ingredients I use for this soap will be on the description box. Detailed information on how you can do it. Guys, remember to follow instructions. Use exactly the measurements you see me use in this tutorial. So here, after cutting my soap into pieces, I have a clean jar and I'm adding them together. The next I'm adding is a boiled water. Make sure your water is boiled enough to make it devoid of microorganisms. Not using hot water can make the soap suitable for bacteria to grow in it. And it will in turn lead your soap to spoil in time, even with additional preservative. The next ingredient I have is guar gum, and I'm mixing it with my glycerin. It's very important you mix your guar gum with your glycerin so that it will not have lumps in it. So at this point, I'm going to start adding my ingredients after my soap has completely dissolved. So the first ingredient I'm adding is honey. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of honey to this soap. And the next I'm adding is my aloe vera gel. Remember, you can use either aloe vera juice or aloe vera gel for this tutorial. As you add, you keep stirring it. So after adding my aloe vera juice, I added my lemon juice. Remember the ingredient and measurements will be in the description box. So don't worry about the things I'm adding. I'll put everything where you can see it easily and use it. So when you look at the soap, we still have some of the particles of the soap in the mixture. Not to worry, it will dissolve. So I'm adding my glycerin and an essential oil. I use tea tree oil as an antioxidant in this liquid soap. So after mixing my ingredients together, and at this point, when I got to this point, there are still some particles of the soap. Then what I use, with the help of my cheesecloth, I added it to the funnel and used with a clean bowl, I poured in my soap. Guys, at this point, you see how thick it is. It's little watering but thick. I love the consistency. Thank you so
this.
much for watching. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to do so. See you in my next video. Bye.